Although it is not completely necessary for this procedure, better access to the rear shock absorbers may be obtained if the rear wheels are removed. Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Using a screwdriver, pry off the wheel trim covers. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts. Then jack up the rear of the vehicle and support it on jack stands, placed under the frame, not under the axle housing. Remove the rear wheels. Support the rear axle with a floor jack to prevent it from dropping when the shock absorber is unbolted. The head of the jack should be placed directly underneath the differential. The floor jack should remain in this position until the procedure is complete. To allow access to the upper shock retaining nuts, the carpeting inside the trunk will need to be unfastened and repositioned. To prevent the piston rod from turning, hold it with a wrench or locking pliers while you break the nut loose. Remove the nut, washer, and upper damper. Remove the lower retaining nut and bolt. Remove the shock absorber from the vehicle. Install the new shock absorber, feeding the upper stud through the hole in the vehicle body, then slide the lower mount into the bracket and install the lower mounting bolt and nut. Install the upper damper, washer, and mounting bolt in the correct order and orientation. Tighten the shock upper mounting bolt to the specified torque setting while counter holding the piston rod. Tighten the shock lower mounting bolt to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure for the remaining rear shock absorber. Once the procedure is complete and the shocks are securely fastened, remove the floor jack from the rear axle. If removed for the procedure, install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the vehicle to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque. Install the wheel trim covers, applying firm pressure to secure them in place.